Thanks for joining me today. Here is the latest this season and more on my window gardening. Hello, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm doing some window gardening. I am enjoying and admiring these beautiful white flowers from this wonderful succulent cactus. This is quite extraordinary to have these clusters of white flowers on this plant. To me, this is a sure sign that it is very happy with its location and the care it has been receiving. I have so much more to share with you on this plant and the other inside plants pertaining to my window gardening. If you'd like to learn more about this plant and the other plants and about window gardening, subscribe and follow along with my seasonal series, and I'll leave some links below for your information. Happy gardening, and thanks for joining me here at my garden channel. See you all next time. You may be interested in this.